Hello children, welcome to the English class. Let us start the lesson of fun indoors, the continued part. Before starting, let us see in the last class what happened. Millie and Billy made some drawing and colored it. After that, they pretended to be pirates. Then they took a torch and searched for the hidden treasures. They got a moose, but it was very dirty, children. What they done? They washed it and they cleaned it, and it became a new one. Then they pulled some chair and wrapped a sheet on it and made a tent. And then they sat in the tent with the moose. Then they discussed about what should we give the name to the moose. Millie, giggling voice, she said, "What about the mooster?" Then Billy said, "Hello, I am a mooster. What is your name?" Okay, let us see the continued part. First, I'll read the lesson. Later on, we will explain it. It's bath time, Mummy called. Millie and Billy continued playing pretended in the bathroom. This time they pretended to be fish swimming around in a stream. We really did have a lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? Billy said as he and Millie snuggled down in their beds that evening. That's right, Millie said. It's great to use your imagination, isn't it, Billy? Yes, he agreed with a yawn. Night, night, Millie said. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, Billy replied, sleepy. And in no time, he and Millie were both fast asleep, dreaming dreams of fun indoors. This story is adapted from the Indoors Fun by Tony Morrell. Okay, children, let us see the words now. It's bath time, Mummy called. Millie and Billy continued playing. They were still playing, children. Pretended in the bathroom. And after going to bathroom also, they are still playing. This time they pretended to be a fish swimming around in a stream. In a bathroom, the both are behaving, means acting like a fish. How the fish swims in the water, they doing the same thing. They pretended to be a fish swimming around in a stream. We really did a lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? Billy said. What Billy said? We really did a lot of fun indoors today, didn't we? We enjoyed the day today. Actually, we done very fun indoors today, Billy said, as he and Millie snuggled down in their beds that evening. Snuggle means comfortably settling down in their beds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. See, like this. That's right, Millie said. Yes, that is right. It's great to use your imagination. Isn't it, Billy? She said that it is great. Means it is good. We have used your imagination. Yes, isn't it, Billy? Yes, he agreed with the yarn. Yes, Billy agreed with the yarn. Night, night, Millie said. Millie said, night, night, sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, Billy replied in sleepy mood. And in no time, he and Millie were both fast asleep. Means they went to sleep early, dreaming dreams of fun indoors. Still they are dreaming, means in their mind still they are having that fun indoor games only.